Mandi e benvenuti a Blex. Hi, and welcome to Blex, Clips of Friulian. Today, we are learning how to talk to friends. The expression, I'll be there soon, in Friulian is o arrivi dal moment, o arrivi dal moment, o arrivi dal moment. The expression, you are early, in Friulian is tu ses ad ore, tu ses ad ore, tu ses ad ore. The expression, I'll wait in the car, in Friulian is o spietti te macchine, o spietti te macchine, o spietti te macchine. Very well, now let's repeat together. O arrivi dal moment, tu ses ad ore, o spietti te macchine. Thank you very much for being with us. See you soon. Bye. See you din, Mandi.